Hello, traders. So here we are, 30 minutes after the opening, and you'll probably think, what am I trading here in terms of Ninja Renko? I'm trading the SIL system, but it's also the same thing on the VWAP Wave, except this one is instead of using, look at that. I don't know if there's news. That's why I didn't trade. Oh yeah, that's news right there. That's why I didn't trade. Okay, let me see what's going on here in terms of news. Look at that. They're trying to figure out where that's going to go. So yeah, 10 o'clock. That's what it is. That's the University of Michigan consumer sentiment. That's what it's doing. So wait until that gets over with. You can see what it's doing there. I usually don't trade the news. I just trade the after effect. So what I'm trading here is basically, these are basically the whatchamacallit, the deviation levels. We're between the -2 and the -1 deviation level. So you can see it's at the -2, and usually it's going to try to get to the -1. I just want to make sure that I'm getting higher highs here. There we are. So are we going to break down here? Yeah, there we are. And I'll get another one. There we go. Let's see if we can get it up there. Again, this is based on the SIL, but I'm using a 11-2 Ninja Renko chart. Now I'm only entering 2 micros, and as it hits there, I might scale in for more. You can see we're getting higher lows, right? Higher lows and higher highs. That's the reason why this target is probably going to hit the -1. That's usually what it is. Same thing with the VWAP Wave. That's all what it is. So this breaks it up to break even. So I'm basically profitable in this trade. You can see this one. This is a 233 target, right? Filled. So it's basically telling you where the trend is. So that's the reason why from -2 here to -1. Perfect setup. Now when I made 65.50, I could have scaled in. I didn't scale in, which I don't know why I didn't. Maybe I was talking. Hey, Mark, how you doing? So this is different than what I was teaching you because this is based on a system. You guys are trading on 20, I think 20 by 4, right? This is 11 by 2, smaller breaks. But this is based on a 233, and you can see the swings. We're getting higher highs or higher lows and higher highs. That's what it determines the trend, right? So that's, and also this 233. I'm trading deviation levels here, folks, and this is basically future fanatics system, which is very, very good, very conservative. There's no stress in trading. You're only trading 2 micros, right? So there, I got my first profit. Now look where we're over here. This may try to get back up to the where to, and that's where it's going. Pull back. I'll get that pullback. Order filled. Most likely, this will be going to the target filled. Target already. Look at this. I'll look for that. Get another one. Order filled. Let me see here. Most likely, it's going to go for the what? This up here. Right. So I hit my first target. Let me get up to here. My stop is down there. You can see where it is. If we get stopped out, it's only 3 contracts, but you can see we're getting higher lows, right? And hopefully get higher highs here. So that basically makes it break even. I may want to, let's see if it breaks. It broke that. Let's see if it goes back up. I might just get break even here. Really no loss or no win. There we go. So I may buy in here once it breaks that yellow line there. There we go. Pull back. That's what I wanted to see. Back in.
Order filled.
Let's see, this goes up here. It's going to give me this. It's moving too fast. Oh, there goes my server again. I probably hit it. Let me see. Let me see what's looking on the. That's why I have my wealth charts on the other side. I got to start trading that. So this is wealth charts. Okay, it's going up. And I usually don't trade the wealth charts until I see the IB has been established. It's already been established. We got around another 25 minutes. No, looks like it's trying to come down. Okay, where are we? There, we're close. And I was trying to get this up here. Most likely I'll try not to get up there. Target, let me see here. Increase. You see how that just missed it by, can you imagine that? Now it's going to hit my, hope it comes back up. I don't want to get break even here. Ah.
Stop filled.
I should have placed my target right there. That's where I had it the first time. Got too greedy. Okay, now this is going to hit my stop there. Nope. So I can come back in here. Let me see a pullback. I want to hit that thing right there. Pull back. There, okay, I'm in.
Order filled.
I test the 233 once again. Gets me that way. Let's see. It's gonna try to test that 233. Come back up. Come back up. Gonna test this swing. So it didn't break the swing as of yet. Let's see if we can break a higher high here. We got to get higher low here, so there has to be higher high, a corresponding higher high to confirm a trend going up. So we have to break this high right here to confirm a trend going up. If not, we're just going in a range. If you don't get a higher high here. There we go. Let's see if we break this high right here. So that means it's going to get to the, I might bring this down. I try to test this level once again. Let's see what, oh, look at that. See, there's our higher high. See how they test these levels all the time? You see it more in a granular this way. I'm looking at my 5-minute chart as well. No, that's, we got it in New York. Okay, let me take this trade.
Buy order filled. Buy order filled.
Okay. No, way to go, Mark. Way to go, Mark. You're getting used to see the patterns. You're getting used to see the price action. And you're getting to see the patterns. Very good. See, it only takes practice. There we go.
Target filled.
Got into that one. Let's see if we can hit this VWAP. That's the VWAP up there.
Order filled.
Oh, I'll hit that one on my wealth charts. So that's gonna be. Let's see if it's gonna hit the VWAP or not. I can bring this up. This loss right here, or this stop loss. I mean, we can bring it up to here. Swing. Let's see if we can get past here. If not, I'm gonna probably add more coming up. If it does come up. There we go. So you can buy that.
Order filled.
See if they can break that. There we go. Come on, break it. Get to the VWAP. Okay, let's see. This is going to go back up there. Where is this going? You going to tease me here? Come on, go back up. Yeah, come on. It's below the 233 now. Let's see if we go. Okay, there it is. We're above the 233. So we create a higher high here. So let's hopefully we can get another push up. Let's go. There we go. Get to the VWAP. Oh man. One more try. Get up there. Tighter stop. There we go. So I'm 324. Look at that.
Target filled.
324. And I'm copying these trades to another PA. And my goal here is to make 250 or around there. So now let's see. Not even quite 1 hour. Where are we on the IB here?
Limit order filled.
And I hit that one on my both charts. So looking at the 5 minute, here we are. See that? So this basically got rejected here at the bottom of the IB low, the initial balance low. So here's the IB high up here. Let's see what's going to happen. Will it? We have another 15 minutes, so this can still even go higher. So the IB's not been set yet. Close to being set. Those of you who got this big trade getting a rejection right here. In fact, you show it here on this chart. Do you see this? That's why I love this chart. Let me get a bigger picture here. So we're down all the way down here, right? There's your rejection. You could have been writing this. I'll show you where this is, right here. You remember that's what? Oh, this is after the news. That's the reason why. Yeah, this is one part of why I wrote, right? All the way up. Right? Just bounced off the 233. You could have just kept on writing that all the way in. Look at that. If you started from the beginning down there. You're just bouncing off the 233. Just keep on adding positions. You'd been done right now. Right? So now we're here at the VWAP. Most likely what's going to happen, so you see it, you already hit up there. It's going to get up to where? It's going to get up to this, up to here at least. Right here, up here. You see we have some fair value gap right there. That would be a good target. If I can just get, let's see, get a higher high here. And probably, if I can get that, I'm probably done after that. This is like your no stress. Your risk is really small, starting off with 2 micros and basically scaling in. That's all you do. Let me see, where am I on my wealth charts here? Oh, 204. I might get another trade there. I'll wait for the after 10:30 and see what it's going to try to do when it breaks the IB high. So far, we still have that IB high up there. You can see now it's going to be playing around here at the VWAP. So that's really what we call, according to Chris Drysdale, this is basically balanced price right now. After being overly cheap when he got down to that level down there. So right now, price is in balance. It may just go up and down. This is the VWAP right now. Anytime they have the VWAP and the -1 deviation there, they're just basically in balance. Anything, if price is between the -1 deviation and the +1 deviation, that's considered imbalance. And right now we have a big wide gap band there from here up here, right? That's +1 all the way to -1 down here. That's your range that you can play around with. Well, right now they're doing the small range between this VWAP band. See, they're going up and down here. Down, up. We might try to test this back down this level down here again. The -1. Let's see. Good job, Mark. Being patient, being disciplined. Yeah, patience is really a virtue. Congrats, Mark. You're getting used to it. So right now we're price is in equilibrium. because we're at the VWAP. So you want to see that break, this see that pink? We want to see that break, pull back, come back up, and I'll take it. That's the VWAP right there. We can't get past. That VWAP is really a strong resistance that we can see. Wait till see if they can break through that. Right at the POC, point of control, on the what we call the volume profile. Let me check it by here. What is this? Oh, wrong one. Yeah, that's me going down, like I said. Because look at that, it tested this. I want to see a pullback here at least. See, I told you it's going to probably test down here. There's the pullback. Yeah, this doesn't know what they want to do here. Is it 2:20? We got 8 minutes before the. See, 5-minute chart. This is what we look at right now. That's where we're at. There's the one they're going over. I just want to do one more trade on this thing, and I'll be done.
Order filled.
Create a higher high. Hopefully it creates a higher low. No. Man, what are they? Double bottom? Come on, create a double bottom there. Got me out.
Stop filled.
Not much of a loss. See, that's what I'm saying. Your losses are not that big. I just need to go in a good trade. So now we're below the 233 here. Maybe this may come down. I think it will. Just want to get them past this yellow line right here. That's a solid. That's a very strong. Right now, it's going to be used as a support. That's what we call the chase line. You can see what they're doing. They're just basically just using that as support right now. They break that, that'd be good. There it is.
Order filled.
You missed my you missed my target by a tick. What the? Come on now. You guys are just kidding me. Man, they just hit that target.
Stop filled.
They missed my target by one tick. It should have been filled. Okay, we're back up. They tested this fair value gap. Let's you know what? Just make this a bigger. See, that's what they did. There's your pullback. There's your buy.
Order filled.
Oh man, they didn't follow right through it. I got in too early there, so let's see if they can push this up. There we go. See if they can create a higher high here. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted to see.
Order filled.
This one will definitely get up here. Not yet done with the IB. It's still trying to form. Well, we're within the IB, put it that way. Okay, we're above the POC right now, so hopefully we can go for the other end of the POC or the other end of the value area high. Right now we're in the range. Look at that.
Order.
Where is that? Okay. What is going on here?
Stop filled.
Where was that stop? Ah, that was the must be a copy trade. Man, they just trick you out to go out that way. Now they're gonna try to bring it down. That's really. They shouldn't be doing that. Oh man, I'll probably give this all back. Okay, I gotta close that out. I'm down 172.50 now. That's it.
Order filled.
Man, they thought they're going to get higher and higher. Never, they tricked you and they came back down with it. So again, this is when they're in this equilibrium phase where they're going to be just ranging things. There's the thing going down. Here's the chase line. That's what I hate that when they do that here.
Order filled.
Just going to scalp this going down.
Order filled. Target filled.
Ugh. You create a higher high here. It's only one contract. One micro.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, my server kind of broke down. Good. It's going down to my target. I'm watching the wealth charts. Missed the target again. We'll try it again. Hopefully it does. No, it'll go up. Oh, you guys suck. You guys really, oh man. They hit that, they didn't quite hit that -1 deviation. They just want to bring it up. Unbelievable. So now they're going to try to bring this up again. Let's see, unless they bring it down here. 123 loss, so that's fine. Yeah, let's see if they bring it down. There, that's it. Bring it all the way back down. See how how they like doing that? They take you guys out as well as me. So let's see. I'll be very fortunate to hit that target. They can hit that target once again. That must be the value area high. Is that what that is? No, that's the low. Okay. Oh, they're just bouncing off the value area low. Oh man. Okay, that's 5 contracts right there. That's what they did. Bounced off the value area
filled.
low. That's fine. So I'm down $4 right now. Double top. They're bringing it back down again. Oh man. They stop me on and bring it down.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, there's not.
Stop filled.
So there, they finally broke it. Let's see, pull back. Yeah, they're in this range. Here's the VWAP. Here's the -1. That's what they're doing. Just going up and down. Bouncing off that value area high, value area low. I mean, there's the break.
Order filled.
Okay, so they got to the -1 here. See, they can go back down. That's what they're trying to do here. Right there. Yeah. They're bouncing off the -1, going back up again. Oh man, I should just see that. Let's see, they bounce off the 233 here. Nope. I am done.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I won't trade here. Basically, they're going here. I should have took that going up, bouncing off the -1. I'll try to get up here, but I don't think that, at least up to here. That's what they're trying to do. I'm at 150. That's not much of a loss. I just have to get one good move here, just maybe a scalp going up. Again, they're at this yellow line, which is a good. See, they're just going up and down.
Order filled.
Again, they missed my target.
Target filled. Target filled.
Did they actually hit that? Wow.
Sell order filled. Sell order filled.
Okay, I'm watching my wealth charts here. Finally got below the -1 here, so what I'm going to do is going to enter this trade, pull back. It should go down to at least here.
Order filled.
Limit order filled. Limit order filled.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Man, these prices are erratic right now. It's a Friday. What else is new? So bouncing off the 1.5 here, they'll probably try to test up here and then come back down with it again.
Limit order filled.
Order filled.
Limit order filled.
Bouncing off that 1.5. Let's see if we can go below that now. Oh man, they're really bouncing out that 1.5 hard. Yeah, if they're bouncing off that 1.5 and trying to go up, most likely they're going to go up back to the VWAP. Okay, so here we go. And we are looking at so you can see we have a support level here, right? Kind of a support level right here, right at the 1.5. We need to break that. Even though we're seeing lower lows here. And we're also seeing lower highs. So hopefully it continues coming down. Man, they really want to bring this up. See if they break that high there. Okay, let's see how I did in wealth charts here. Am I done? 474. I'll take that. I'm done with wealth charts. They're bouncing at that 1.5. That's what they're doing. Man, they don't want to. They don't want to go down. They're just trying to bring this up. Look at this.
Order filled.
167. This is not working out to my advantage here. I'm done with well charts. I got 474 in there.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Stop filled.
Man, they came all the way back there just to get my stop.
Order filled.
Price is not really honoring market structure at all. Yeah,
Stop
so
filled.
172. Just not bad. Yeah, this is going up and down, up and down. You need a wider stop, that's for sure. Maybe between these swings right here, these big swings, not they're not honoring that at all. These big swings right here. So now we're going up. Looks like we broke that one right there. Want to see a pullback. We're above the 233.
Order filled.
Okay, so there's gonna be. Yeah, I shouldn't be taking any orders going up because we're going against the trend here. See?
Order filled. Order filled.
And probably stop this out again. Oh my God.
Stop filled.
This is unbelievable. So I'm going to stop for now. What is it? 318? Man. It looks like they're trying to bring this up. That's what they're trying to do. They just use this down here. You see this? We have a lot of support there. Here's the pullback into the 233. I can just get back here one by one here. So let me see. See, they created a higher high here. They broke this, right? So now they're bringing it back down. Liquidity sweep. All in all, just you see what they're doing. You're using the 1.5 deviation to really that's spring. Let's go for that. It's bouncing off that.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, check that out. Went that
Target
fast.
filled.
Don't tell me it's going to try to come back. It has to hit that yellow line.
Order filled. Sub filled.
Oh, wow. At least I'm profitable.
Order filled. Order filled.
What are they doing? Don't tell me they're trying to bring it back up again. Double bottom here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my gosh, what are you guys doing to me? This is really not. It's a Friday. What do you expect? Why aren't they bringing this down? You gotta be freaking kidding me. Oh, yep. This is just. You see how they do this? Now they're gonna try to bring it up there. Let's see if they can do this. I want you to bring it
Order
down.
filled.
They already surpassed this one. They gotta pull
Order
back.
filled.
There's the pullback into the 233. Now I want you to bring it down now, which does not make sense at all. And of course, my server goes out. And of course, my server goes out. There it is. Then it looks like, did I get. Oh, man, this is just. Yeah, I'm getting taken out. Where am I now here? They're just really just messing around with me now. Yeah. Deep pullback. Let me bring it back up. Here we go. Time to quit. I'm at 284. I'll take that. We're still our trend is still down. I don't know why I'm trying to force this to go up. Yeah, see. They're keeping it below the -1. I have no idea why. But they're not bringing it down to the minus. Let's see if we can get down to -1.5 here. It's 11:36. They'll probably do this at lunch. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just want to see where I'm at here. Low, so they got me hitting maybe 1.25 down here. Let's see. Probably trying to test this low here. Until 1.25 deviation. They had to break through that.
Order filled.
Let's see. This is the IB low. Let's see if they break that to get to the 1.25 extension.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, I'll take the 298. That's it. They said they're gonna do that by lunch. They brought it down, not quite down to the 1.25. Got down to where it was pretty close. I didn't take that on my wealth charts, which I should have. But I can't take. I should have had it over here. So that's it. Better be down. It's better to be up by 200. I'll take that. You guys green? I'm green all over after that big thing. And I should have been keeping track of my 5-minute chart with that. Let me see here. Yeah, usually hey Emil, yeah, usually Fridays I grind. But this Renko here really works well if you're looking at as a 5-minute chart as a guide. It really works well. This is what what's his name uses, Futures Fanatic, and he also uses the 5 minute as a guide. You can see he went from here, where he says -1, from -1 to -2 all the way down. That was your trade right here. The setup. See this? Pull back, hit it down here, bring this all the way down to the -2. We're now oversold, so now this is going to try to get up here. It may try to get up here. It will try to get up here, but we have a big bearish fair value gap here, so that'll take some work through the afternoon or even afternoon session. I'm pretty much done. I want to give back. I don't want to give back what I won so far. Say right here. So see this? We basically, this is the 233, right? We want to get over the 233 now. You're getting this where it comes back, pulls back up, but it's already close to lunchtime. It's already 11:48. They may just bring this up in the next 10 minutes. Let's see. So now there's a 233. We want to see a pullback. Yeah, like I said, let's try to bring this up before noon. Let's see. I want to see a pullback before I get in here. Pull back to the 233. Where's my 5-minute chart? There we are. See, that's why. Let's see if we can get into that. Okay, let's see. I'll get in that.
Order filled.
That's a pretty good target. Put it right there.
Order filled.
Yeah, they're gonna do it before lunch. We'll see. This is the fair value low. I'll try and bring it here in the mid of this fair value gap right there. Let's see if they do that. It hit it to the fair value area low, right? Or no? Yeah, that's the fair value area low. So you can get extra here to make it over 100. And I'll be done for today. Profitable, everything green. Come on, push it one more. We got at least 100 on that. They didn't feel my take profit. One more push. Just one more push. There it is. There we go.
Target filled.
There it is. 402 made the 400. Yep. Like I said, they're bringing it to the -1 up there. That would have been a good trade if I followed through. I didn't know they were going to do it that fast. Look at that. They brought it up all the way there before lunch. There it is. Okay, guys, I'm done. There it is. They brought it up from the -2, right? -2 all the way to the -1 right before lunch. I uploaded the on the stay in your lane thing on our Telegram. I uploaded a PDF document that was free. Just loaded your charts, the configuration there. It's all given out there, the configuration. And if you have any questions, let me know. Good night, Emil. See you. Hopefully you're green. Mark is green. I don't know who else. Cortez, are you green? Right up to that -1 deviation. Okay, guys. I will talk. Have a great weekend. Good job, Emil. I'm green on my wealth charts. I'm green on here on two charts or two accounts I copy traded here. So they're all green. Stay safe and God bless. They're bringing this up to all the way to the VWAP since it was already oversold. Look how fast they're bringing this up there. Wow. They're bringing this up fast. Okay, guys. Stay safe and God bless. Bye.